Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe at home. So here I am back again with another new video, and it's been quite long since I haven't shooted anything for YouTube, but I'm back again. And in today's video we are going to do something a bit different from what I do, like all the fashion hacks. We are going to get ready together for Diwali. Yes, you heard it right. So today we will do a makeup and an outfit video. We will first do a in between glam makeup and Indian attire, obviously because it's Diwali. So yeah, and we'll see how both of them work out together, and I hope you enjoy the process. And without much talk, let's get I'm back. And for the first thing, we obviously will be needing a moisturizer since it's winter coming, so we need to moisturize our face first, and that's very important. But since I have already moisturized my face, so I'm going to go in with my foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So I'm going to mix these two in, and then we obviously have our blender. So never forget the neck because it's very important to match the whole skin with face and everything with your neck. And now we will take on our beauty blender that we have, and we are going to tap. I feel it's easier to use a beauty blender because it blends really well. So it's all blended out now. As you can see, the Pro Concealer inside Pro Concealer, and this is in the shade, wait, I can't find it. This is also in the shade 01, and yeah, we are going to apply this on our eyes, corner of the eyes. Again, with the beauty blender, we go in and blend the whole thing. First, I leave the nose, then it's all blended out. Next thing we are going to do is contouring. So we are done with our contouring. You can see the next step is eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I use my Maybelline 24K Nudes palette, and I use the shade, this is a brown, dark brown kind of shade. This one, give some strokes, and here we are done with our eyebrows. And the next step is eyes. So today I have decided to do the very trendy eye look, that is the reverse cat's eye, and I'm going to try it. I don't know if I will do it good or bad, or if I fail, but we'll see how it turns out. And for that we are going to use our Lakme Iconic Kajal, the black one. Okay, so I have lined my eyes up. Make it out with our reverse cat's eye. So for my upper lids, I am going to use the Revolution makeup palette, and it's in the shade Reloaded Marvelous Mattes, and we are going to use this palette and the Maybelline one together to use this shade and this one, I guess. And from here I am going to use the shimmery ones, like the golden and brown ones. I'll use this one and this one. Okay, so yeah, I have blended the whole thing, and it's not time for some glitter. Here we have some golden glitter, and I'm going to just put them on the mid of my lids, upper lids of course, and we'll use this shade for the corners, like the outer corners, not the inner corners. And now I'm going to use the LA Color So Cheeky Blush and Highlighter palette. It's this one, and it's in the shade or Sweet and Sassy. works as highlighter as well. Go on for the nose is highlighted, the forehead, and of course we need to define our lips. We will be doing our eyelashes. Mascara is very important. I am using the Maybelline New York the Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. I am going to use the Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Dreams. Okay, so my lips are done and now we will go on with the outfit. So I am done with my hair. It's put together in a small bun sort of situation, and so I will go with these here and I'm just going to wear them on this side.
लगन लागी रे तो से प्यारे बलम केसरी तो से प्यारे लगन लागी रे तो से.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this look I created with you all, and wishing you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Stay safe and enjoy with your family, and also let me know in the comment section below what more videos would you like to see next, and also let me know if you enjoyed this video and would like me to create more of these kind of videos. So do let me suggest what are your thoughts and everything. And yeah, also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell button to get notified whenever I put up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.